creating a project based on APN. There are times where you want to create a site plan or a project, and there is no valid US address. At that time, use the APN, Assessor's Parcel number. Enter a valid APN number. It is tied into the state that it belongs to, so in this case is Oregon. Within each state, the unique APN number is also tied to the county that this property is at. You will have to know that. And this one is in Washington County. You search for APN. You will find it. You will search for that APN in that county, in that state. You will find it, one parcel found, and you simply can then say undeveloped land, and however you want to name it, and create a project. You will go through the process and create a project for that APN. Once the project is opened, you will see parcel information, the topography. You can go into the site plan, and this is a 50-acre lot that you have created with a lot of trees, and you also have the 3D site plan option where you can see the project itself and the various other elements of it as well.